How do transgender individuals legally change name and gender markers? Imagine walking into a government office and walking out with a new identity that truly reflects who you are. That's what the process of legally changing your name and gender marker is all about. It's a vital step for many transgender people to live authentically and access rights without barriers. The first step usually involves filing a petition for a legal name change at a local court. You'll need to fill out a form with your current name, your desired new name, and the reason for the change. Some courts ask for details like your date of birth, driver's license number, and sometimes your criminal history. The court then reviews your petition to see if the change is in your best interest and doesn't harm public safety. If approved, they issue a court order that officially grants your new name. This court order becomes your key document for updating your records. Once you have the court order, the next step is to update your identification documents. You'll want to change your name and gender marker on your Social Security records, driver's license or state ID, passport, and sometimes your birth certificate. Each document has its own rules. For example, changing your birth certificate's gender marker depends on the laws of the state where you were born. Some states requiring additional paperwork or a court order. To change your gender marker, many states and federal agencies ask for a letter from a licensed healthcare provider. This letter confirms you have undergone appropriate clinical treatment for gender transition, which can include hormone therapy, surgery, or social transition steps. Some states accept just the medical certification, while others might requiring a court order. Federal documents like passports and Social Security records often only need a doctor's letter, and surgery is not always necessary. Because the process can be complicated and varies by location, many transgender individuals seek legal help from attorneys experienced in these matters. There are organizations and legal networks that can guide you through the process, especially if you have special circumstances like a criminal record or need confidentiality. It's important to update all your documents to match your gender identity. This helps prevent discrimination and makes daily activities like working, traveling, or accessing healthcare easier. Some states even offer confidential name change options to protect privacy, especially for survivors of domestic violence. The process can take time and sometimes cost money, but having your legal documents match your identity is a big step toward dignity and equal rights. So, in summary, changing your name and gender marker involves getting a court order for your name change, obtaining a medical certification for your gender marker, and updating each official document according to your state's rules. This process supports your right to be recognized as your true self and helps you access the rights and services you deserve.